everyone, I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and I'm thrilled to report that my bathroom remodel is done. If you've been following along with my progress, you've seen all the work I've put into making this tiny half bath into a bright and modern space. There isn't an inch of this room that hasn't been updated in some way. I've painted everything from the ceiling to the floor and tiled everything in between. I managed to stay on budget too, spending a little over $500 for the entire project. Let's take a look at the final result.
Remember this dark blue wallpaper with the dot pattern that makes you dizzy? All of that is gone and replaced with floor-to-ceiling subway tile installed vertically. The not-so-camouflaged outlet was switched out for a more modern one with a built-in nightlight. The old medicine cabinet was installed so low you couldn't see the top of your head in the mirror. I raised it up a bit and added a new mirror with a narrower frame. Now it's much easier for guests to get ready in the morning. I received a lot of comments about how unique this triangle sink is and that I should keep it. Unfortunately, it really wasn't very practical to use and the novelty wore off pretty quickly. But I donated it, so hopefully someone else will appreciate it more than we did. The new sink is much less awkward to use, so we can finally wash both hands at the same time. The vanity is actually smaller than the old one, and the extra space on the sides makes the bathroom feel much more spacious. The old tile was boring, but in good shape. Instead of tearing it out, I painted it with a bold geometric pattern that makes a huge statement in this tiny bathroom. This is definitely my favorite feature of the entire space. I'll post an update on how well the paint has held up in a few months, so stay tuned. I couldn't be happier with how this half-bath remodel turned out. What was once a dark and dated bathroom is now a bright and modern space for our guests. By starting with a plan and sticking to it, I was able to knock out this entire project in just a few weeks. The most time-consuming part was painting the floor, but the results were totally worth it.
So, what do you think? If you have any questions about what products I use or how I did something, you can always leave a comment and I'll help you out. My goal at The Handyman's Daughter is to show you that it doesn't take a lot of money or hiring an expensive contractor to do home improvement projects like this. All it takes is your time, effort, and a little research when you're not sure how to do something. That's why I provide in-depth tutorials to help you tackle everything from bathroom renovation projects like this to building your own furniture and everything in between. You can check out all my tips at thehandymansdaughter.com. Thanks for following along on this remodel and stay tuned for more videos of my projects. See you soon!